Hi everyone, this is Jerry from Reset ClO₂. Today we're going to introduce you to chlorine dioxide, the #1 professional solution for getting rid of pungent odors caused by smoke, urine, vomit, pets, molds, and mildews. Typically, these odorous situations are handled in an incremental manner with the deployment of low-cost solutions such as air fresheners and masking agents, before escalating into more expensive remedies such as new carpeting and paint sealing products. Yet often, these odors remain embedded in the space. This is typically when professional restoration companies are called in to eliminate the issue at significant cost. Often, these companies will use an elegant yet hard-to-find substance called chlorine dioxide, which can be utilized as both a liquid and a vapor. Chlorine dioxide is the least toxic and the most effective mold, smoke, and odor eliminator known to restoration professionals. ClO₂ is known to be safe for use on and around humans, animals, and all porous and non-porous surfaces. Chlorine dioxide is non-staining, non-masking, non-corrosive, with no fragrance nor VOCs. It leaves behind no residuals and requires no post-application wiping or rinsing. Reset recommends following this simple and safe two-step chlorine dioxide mitigation process. First, generate a ClO₂ liquid to treat visible surfaces. Simply add a Reset tablet to the appropriate amount of tap water and container and let it generate for 10 minutes to full strength. Spray down all of the fabrics, the hard surfaces, and flooring with the liquid solution. Let it sit and dry. There is no need to wipe or rinse it. If you're trying to remove visible built-up nicotine or other such issues, we recommend spraying the walls and the surfaces and using a microfiber mop or sponge to remove the buildup. Step 2. Generate a ClO₂ vapor to deodorize all non-porous and porous surfaces and penetrate the visible and non-visible barriers spraying, fogging, mops, and sponges cannot. Create a confined space by closing all of the windows and doors and remove all people, plants, and pets. Close the shades to block direct sunlight during this phase. If needed, use standard fans to help circulate the vapor and turn on the HVAC fan, which will help circulate the ClO₂ and clean the distribution system. Unplug or cover the fire detectors and place a Do Not Enter sign on the space entryway during this treatment period. Then, determine what level of vapor is best for your challenge. There is a simple product and space calculator located at thechlorinedioxidestore.com. Once the confined space is prepped, prepare your dispersion buckets by adding it to the correct amount of water, placing it into the center of the confined space, elevated off the floor if possible. Put on your PPE. We recommend a half-face respirator, goggles, and gloves. Then add the Reset product to the bucket and water. It will quickly turn green and into ClO₂, vapor that will then begin to emit from the solution. Then add a simple, inexpensive battery-operated fish tank aerator to the bucket and solution and leave the confined space. The aerator will push the ClO₂ molecules into the atmosphere, reduce the treatment time, and enhance the outcome. Depending on the severity of the odor issue, plan on a treatment time of 6 to 24 hours. The longer the ClO₂ vapor contacts the surfaces, the better. At the end of the treatment period, re-enter the space with your PPE on and open the doors and windows to ventilate the space for 1 hour. Discard the remaining treatment solution, now with simple salt and water, down the drain or toilet.